Welcome back to another video, and in this video, hopefully by end of this video, we are gonna be sleeping in that bedroom. And yeah, now that the walls are painted, they are nice and dry, we're actually thinking to push the bed back and do some other work, but that would be stupid since we already have removed those headrests. We have to bring the ones from our bedroom. So in this video, I guess it's gonna be a moving video, and goal is to sleep here. I actually thought that we're gonna be sleeping tomorrow here. Tomorrow evening we're picking up my mom, so I thought we're gonna be sleeping tomorrow because I didn't expect to be time-wise able to do it today, and I did not realize that yesterday was our last night in the other bedroom. I don't know why I'm so sentimental about changes and those things. It is still our bedroom. We can still go sleep there if we really want. It's not like we're moving our house. Like, I don't know how people move so many times houses. I couldn't do it.
I like it.
I don't like it. I like changes, but I don't like changes. Okay, let's move. First thing, we're gonna get the headrest in the barn. This one's first, then we're gonna swap them around, blow them, and then I don't know, we'll see what that video brings. It's gonna be kind of a vlog of us moving, I guess. Let's get started because we don't have much time. Plus, we still want to decorate for Christmas. So let's get started. Evie, you have nowhere to sleep? Evie? So it took us 10 minutes to clear out the bed. That is pretty fast, but yeah, we did not put everything in its place. We're kind of like roughly where it's gonna go, so we still have to go and organize through the things. So I guess we could already bring our blankets, and that would be kind of it. But we still have to bring our TV. We have a TV in the bedroom. I know not everyone's favorite, but it's okay. What else? And then we have to move, I think, the desk over there. And still a lot of other...
Curtain.
Curtain, oh yeah, curtain. And a lot of other tiny little things. We still have to go, maybe we go now. We still have to bring some things upstairs that we want stored away before the darkness comes. Yeah, so let's continue. So we have taken everything out of the room. Now we have to do the curtain swap because this green does not fit with our green headrest. And I guess bring over the TV and do the whole bed.
I guess I gotta go to the barn then, because that
needs to be drilled
on the wall, yeah.
Okay, well, let's get on with the easy part.
The curtains.
Is it easy?
I don't know how they connect to the wall. I forgot.
Actually, this can stay.
Those can stay, yes.
And we can swap. Okay. The easy part is that they both have the same curtain rack, so all we have to do is just swap the rack, not the connections. Attack you. So we have hit 2 roadblocks. One of them is that our vacuum cleaner is not charged. Well, we have been charging it consistently as we've been cleaning, so we cannot put the curtain. Well, that's not the worst. Second problem, kind of problem, it's not really a problem, is the clothes behind me. They have to go somewhere because we have the desk. So we had a 20-minute meeting time, so we have kind of found the solution. We will see. So let's not get the TV off. But yeah, most importantly, those clothes have to go somewhere. And yeah, so let's remove a TV first and then get to that. That secures it, right?
Oh, I think that's good. It's like a rip, that's why.
Okay, well, let's relocate it. And
We gotta fix that cement whenever we do next cement work.
it's gonna be hidden by the TV.
Yeah,
Honestly.
still ugly.
Okay, I guess it's not working.
Oh, these hammer ones are just not good for.
So David did find 2 of them, so we are gonna try these ones.
2 is definitely more than enough. It's just,
Yeah.
If they're hooked on good.
And then was you said the third one goes in between the walls, so it wouldn't.
Yeah, it
work.
ends up here. So.
Okay, wait.
That is very tight.
That's tight now.
That's
There we
not
go.
coming out.
That's how I want it. So the TV is finally up, and we actually wanted to do the clothes, but we realized that the bed is kind of bothering. So what we're gonna do, we want to do the headrest so we can push the bed back to its place. And yes, the TV looks a bit big and too bulky and too black for this room. We do have an idea of making it kind of hidden. But for those that didn't know, we did get the TV gifted by Samsung. Well, not sponsored, but we did buy 2 years ago for Christmas on Black Friday deal. So if you buy 2 things, we bought a freezer and a washing machine dryer. So the third thing is for free. So we got a TV. So yeah, we're not gonna complain about it much. So yeah, let's now get to the bed, do quickly the bed, snap on the headrest, swap it with the other one, and pretty much get the bed ready. And then lastly, we're gonna do the clothes, and that's kind of it, I think.
Oh, this is clothes in it.
This also has a kitty paw. I never saw it. We've been here for 4.5 years, and you have not seen the kitty paw?
I have. You haven't.
There's a kitty paw.
I've touched it probably millions of times turning on my light.
Yes, probably.
Are we pulling like that?
3, 2, go. I am.
You are doing way better. How is that a better position? Are you pushing against the wall?
Yes,
Oh,
with
well.
my leg.
Well, that's a
3,
bit different.
2. Let us know in the comments down below which color do you like more, this one or the previous one.
Previous one.
I like this one. It's brighter.
Come on, push. Push, Evie. Evie, push.
So, as you can see, we are in bed. It was a very, very long day. And the first thing that we noticed is that we are other way around. Well, I'm still pointing the window way and you're pointing the doorway. But we are other way around.
Yeah,
so
that's
it's,
my side.
yeah.
That's your side.
So it's really confusing. That alone already is confusing, but everything else is the same. Ah, yeah, the TV.
TV,
it's
watching
like-
there, now it's there.
Yeah, we're looking all the way around. But even though everything is exactly the same, it feels like we are in a hotel.
Yeah, it feels
Like in
so
a-
different.
Yeah, it does not feel the same.
But it's nice, it's fun.
Yeah, and big bonus thing is like, not bonus, but like weird thing that makes like this whole bed feel much more different
Yeah?
is the mattress.
Yeah, it's high up.
We have it high up. We're gonna explain more about it whenever. So let's go sleep because tomorrow we still have quite a bit of work to do. We said by the end of this video, but we're not gonna end it yet here. We're gonna end it in the morning once we have the other bedroom done. So we're gonna show you how that looks because I'm currently washing the bed sheets. So yeah, let's go sleep and I'm gonna see you in the morning. I'm so tired. I think it's like 2 o'clock again. We're gonna stop doing that. We are going to pick up my mom, but most importantly, you are gonna see her reaction to the bedroom switch, and she knows nothing about it. So we are actually running a bitty, well, not really late if you wanted to go to shops before, but let's now hurry up, go pick her up. We're gonna set both of the cameras. I'm not gonna take a camera with me because, as you can see, it's already dark outside, and so let's now set up both cameras and see her reaction. I honestly don't know what it's gonna be because she did mention 2-3 weeks ago that it would make sense for us to have the other bedroom, so we will see how she's gonna react. So that's the first setup, and I was thinking like how long, because she's also sick, so fingers crossed that we're not gonna get sick and she's gonna be fine within, like, we're just gonna kick her up a bit and she's gonna be perfectly fine. So yeah, I don't know how much she's gonna realize. She probably will see the carpet, maybe the TV, because you know it's a black thing, and
Closet's gone,
closet. No, but you don't see the closet. Like you walk in like this.
I guess.
She's gonna see that.
Yeah.
So
She's gonna be confused, but I'm not sure if she's gonna actually understand it.
yeah, I don't think so, because last year we painted that wall, and she did not realize it.
And the windows, yeah, as well.
And the window surrounding, so it took her a while. Plus, it's gonna be dark. Okay.
Wo ist mein Teppich?
Wo ist mein Teppich? Where's her carpet? David, where's her carpet?
And where's my wardrobe? You changed the bedroom.
I knew it's gonna be the carpet. She didn't see anything else besides the carpet.
Wow, you can change the background.
Yeah, just the back and the bed. And just the bed and the back and the this and that.
And this, that. Some things didn't change yet.
We have a few days later, and I completely forgot to end this video. As you saw, my mom's reaction was first where her carpet went, and then she realized that everything else is gone and that she had switched bedrooms. And so yeah, that's kind of how the bedroom looks now. We also bought these 2 carpets on a discount if you buy 2, and they're extremely super fluffy, but we still have a lot of work that needs to be done still here. We did this one kind of temporary. Here we want to put a dresser I don't know if we explained in the video or if I had explained to my mom. So here I'm going to put a dresser with a towel, also hanging, dresser and drawers under the bed. This time we're going to put two a bit bigger because we do have the mattress higher. So we're going to address that once we do the drawers, the slides on the bottom. And on that corner we cannot do too much because of the heating wall. We do have some exciting gifts and purchases that you will be seeing in the upcoming Christmas videos. But yeah, also we have to do night tables and lights because currently we've been using the TV as our light guide to go to the bed because we live in the countryside and it's pitch black outside, so you cannot even see anything. And yeah, here we don't need to show that mess. That is my winter clothes because my summer clothes are still hanging. We're gonna get there slowly. It's okay, we're gonna get all the clothes swapped. Hopefully not by the time summer is here and then I need to swap the winter ones again. But yeah, everyone has been enjoying the bedroom swap. It has been a bit weird and awkward for the first nights, but getting used to it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and we're gonna see you in the next one. We'll see what we're gonna do before the holidays and after, but I hope you enjoyed this one. Evie? Evie? Or the other way. The other way, Evie.
Evie says yum yum yum.
Evie, do you like your new bedroom? Bravo, Evie.